Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads, and I want to explain our YouTube channel here. We got a playlist called Daily Checklist, and every week we are going to be uploading the daily video walkthroughs for you for the next week so that you can come in here and follow along with us in a proposed marketing calendar with step-by-step videos every day of the month that are going to walk you through the marketing, the lead generation, the lead engagement, and conversion that you need to grow your business dramatically. All right. We've worked with top producers that grew their business, new agents that became top producers for the last 14 years. And so now, if you want to follow along with us, let me explain how this is going to work. So every Monday, we are going to market a listing that is for sale, ours, or borrowed. And that could be coming soon, just listed, active, or open house. And again, ours or borrowed, it doesn't matter. Every week though, every Monday, we want to market a listing like that because if we're having an open house next weekend, right, the next Sunday, we want to start that marketing on Monday. Also, buyers and sellers are always coming in and out of the market, and we don't want us to become invisible to them. So if we're going to market kind of stop and go, and sometimes yes, sometimes no, we're going to lose all momentum that we need to really grow our business via the marketing that we're going to be doing. And that's with any kind of marketing across any kind of business out there. So every Monday, we're going to be doing, again, a coming soon, just listed, active, or open house, ours or borrowed. And this video walks you through everything you need to do in 20 minutes. On Tuesdays, we're going to alternate between the 70 PDF guides that we've got in Listings to Leads for buyers and home sellers. And so follow along with us. This week, we're going to be doing a seller guide. Should you sell your home fast for cash? Click on that video. We're going to do the complete walkthrough with you. We got the Facebook ad. We got the calls to the database. We've got the emails to the database. So as we're going through each one of these days, whether we're marketing a for sale listing on a Monday, we're doing the PDF guide on Tuesday. Next up on Wednesday, when we're going to do a pending or sold, we are constantly hitting all of our audiences across all platforms with different value added messages in a way that is not going to just put our name out there for people to become a lead, but also for us to reach into our database, reach into our farm, and engage those people at a higher level so that we are converting more of these people than ever before. So don't just do a Facebook ad. We've got literally database call scripts. All right. So every one of these tools, and I'll show you here in a little bit, you got the ability, there's a script, for you to call through your database. And I'll explain that here in a few minutes. So Wednesday, as I referred to a minute ago, we're going to market a pending or sold listing. Again, ours or borrowed. This training walks you through that. Why do we do this? Because every week we want to make sure that people are associating us with listings going into contract or listings getting sold. We want people, when they think of property selling, we want them to think about us. And so this training will walk you through how to make sure that happens every single week so that we're generating an extra 10 to 40 seller leads every single week. On Thursdays and Fridays, we're going to do a little bit of different trainings. So this Thursday, for example, we're going to be covering the 100-point home marketing plan for your listing presentation that is in Listings to Leads. We've got 11 marketing tools that are going to really help get some strong listing leads for you. Again, from your database, from your farm, from social media. We're going to get into retargeting. I'm going to show you how to target all the homeowners in your local area, as well as all the buyer and seller leads in your database. So make sure you follow that on Thursday. And then this Friday, I can't remember what we're going to do Friday. It might be new construction. I'm not really sure. But again, every single day here, we've got a different training because you should be generating between 10 to 20, if not 10 to 30 leads a day. So that every single day you got new people coming in that are looking to buy or sell in the next 30 days. That literally can happen if you follow our training. So real quickly, let me look at the just listed, because that will it'll show you a few things that are also available with all the other marketing activities. And that is, I'm gonna go down to my just listed listing. If you need any help getting listings in or with any of this, either get with our support team, get into the mastermind group, we'll help you out. But so if you click the green market listing button or the green market button, in the case of a PDF guide, you'll notice the write up and recorded webinar. And there's also a checklist for all of these things. So here, click the learn more. And a really great new tool is the database call script. So let me show this to you in addition to all the other things. So before you start calling your database with this amazing script that will get you more conversations, you want us in the e-flyer. All right. So whether it's our listing, right? Maybe we got a just listed that we're borrowing, or it could be our own open house, or it could be just an active listing of ours or that we're borrowing. We're going to send that e-flyer for that listing to our entire database. And then we're going to use the database call script, and we're going to call a certain subset of our list of our leads and contacts that we think this might be appropriate for. So kind of take a look at that and keep in mind, I've also got the database call script for that PDF guide that we're going to market. And then I've also got another call script for the pending or sold listing that we're also going to market on Wednesday. So we're going to call through our database every day of the week, because we've also got a database call script for the 100-point home marketing plan. So you don't need to call everybody in your database with this script, and you don't need to overthink it, but I want you to try to pick at least 10 to 20 people today to call with this script right here. So let's click database call script. And remember, we are looking at a just listed marketing plan. So here we go, just listed database call script for high engagement. And this is a little bit of a write-up. So go ahead and take a look at that and read through that. But let me just give you a quick overview of this script in particular, and all the scripts work in a very similar way. So you'll see here in the introduction, so I'll just pretend you are Susan. So I'll say, hey, Susan, Scott Pierce at L2L Realty here. Just want to let you know that 5530 Douglas Boulevard in Granite Bay just listed for sale. I sent you an email with the link to the single property website with all the photos and details. And I just want to make sure you got that. If you didn't, you can text 10001 to 25678 to get the virtual tour sent to you. All right, really easy so far. It's a did you get phone call. Right? So that's where the e-flyer for the database comes into hand, because you want to make sure they got that, so that now when you're calling, you're just asking, did you get? And it's a great conversation, because with inventory and everything else, and it's just an easy call. Hey, you're just letting you know that 5530 Douglas Boulevard is now for sale. I see some information. Did you get it? If you didn't, here's how you can get it. Now, depending if you're going to leave a voicemail, if you're talking to them, but here are 3 easy ways to take that conversation. One is if they own a home in the area of that listing, then you got this right here, right? You can share with them that when this home sells, it's going to affect their home value and others in the area. And you go, would Scott@listingstoleads.com be the best email to send your updated home value estimate to? See how that works? So we're just going to come, because we got their email, they're a lead. So we got the email, we're just going to confirm, and we're going to send that to them. Now, if they own a home that is not in the area of the listing, you can see there's your version of the script there. If they answer yes to either one of those 2 questions, so they confirm the email, or they do want the home value estimate via the second version of that script, just add them to the home value landing page in your Listings to Leads account. So if you go to the landing pages tab in Listings to Leads, you'll see the free home values landing page. Just open it up, add them to it. You got their name, email, phone number. And when you do that, they will get a home value estimate, and they're going to be added every single month. They're going to get a home value estimate email sent to them automatically, and that will be available to you in the account as well. So really, really powerful tool there to engage your database. Now, let's say they don't own a home, or maybe they rent. Well, then you can ask if they would like to be added to your VIP list of coming soon and off-market listings. Very, very powerful tool there as well. So take a look at that, and you're going to see that when you click the market button for the PDF guides, the market listing button for the pending and just solds and the open houses, that at the detailed write-up here, we've got that database call script for all of that stuff. And so that is such a powerful tool to use in conjunction with the e-flyer and everything else. So if you've got any questions on this training, I want you to put that below this video in the mastermind group. And you should really, right, again, pretend you're paying me $500 a month. And I'm telling you, I'm your coach, and I'm telling you, I've dropped these videos. On Monday, I want you to do, they're all 20 minutes long. On Monday, I want you to do this with the caveat of you can, right, can be any status, yours or borrowed, but it's got to be a for sale listing. On Tuesday, I want you to do this. And these are going to generate buyer leads and seller leads on Monday. You're going to generate seller leads on Tuesday. You got the short form video scripts for all of this stuff as well. So your short form videos are going to be amazing. In fact, for the short form videos for this week, refer back to this video here from Friday, February 9th. This is for the week of February 9th through the 16th as well. So take a look at that. And I walked through all like 12 short form videos for this week right now that you are going to definitely want to record, because it is going to dramatically increase your engagement on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook, if you start doing these on a daily basis using the scripts that we give you. So take a look at that as well. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll talk to you soon.